Sumaringa tātou katotoa I te ara. Ka aere tātou ka tamo I tētai au kupu, kuki airani, no runga I te awanganga e rave ana tātou. Ko papa koto, ko papa au. Good morning, class. Welcome to another day of learning Cook Island words for actions. Are you ready? Let's start. Kaikai means eat. Kaikai, eat. Inu means drink. Inu, drink. Aere means go. Aere, go. Aere mai means come. Aere mai, come. No'o means sit. No'o, sit. Tu means stand. Tu, stand. Aere means walk. Aere koe, walk. Oro means run. Oro, run. Tatau means read. Tatau, read. Tata means write. Tata, write. I hope you've learned these new words. I will see you again tomorrow.